Welcome to Full Stack Spring Application Development. If you're a Java Spring developer and would like to build a full-stack web application using the latest Spring projects, then this course is for you. This course is a practical guide for Spring developers, for which a developer can know how to build a web application bottom-up using the Spring technologies, starting with the Spring Data JPA up to the Spring Service JUnit and Mockito for unit and integration testing, then to the Spring MVC and Time Leaf, and eventually the Spring Security. Course Main Objective. Our course's main objective is to practically implement a full-stack project using the Spring frameworks. The course will be divided into 8 sections. The first section will be the course overview, where we'll display the course section's objectives and prerequisites, and download the source code of the project that we'll create. The second course section is about the installation of the JDK, IntelliJ, Apache Maven, and the MySQL. The third section is for the analysis and system requirements. We'll view the business requirements of the application that we'll create, the wireframes that we receive from the business analyst to develop and transform into a front-end screens. Then we'll draw our system's entity's UML class diagram. Then we'll preview a demo of the application as a final output before starting on the implementation sections, so we can visualize the application that we'll create. Starting by the fourth section, we'll begin the implementation of the model layer, or the database layer, using the Spring Data JPA, and we'll build the entities, JPA repository, and generate the tables using the Spring JPA. In the fifth section, we'll build the business layer using the Spring Service, and we'll perform the service implementation to be able to implement the business layer. Then we'll proceed to the testing, the unit and the integration testings using the JUnit, the Mockito, and the test container. The seventh section includes the front-end layer using the Time Leaf, where we'll build the controllers and the views. And our final core section will be the Spring Security, where we'll implement the application security to become a role-based application, where we'll encrypt the user's passwords. So the course will be a representative experience of a real-life project that helps in work environments to find jobs and for college students as well. We'll know how to install the software, identify the requirements received from the system analyst, how to draw the UML, how to build a full application including back-end, business layer, and front-end, in addition to security and testing. It'll be a practical guide for all development phases. Allow me to introduce myself to you. I am Karim Mahmoud, a Java Solution Architect, IBM Portal and BPM consultant, a computer science graduate with a master's degree in computer science, with over 13 years of experience in Java, Spring, and IBM product software development. Over 8 years of instructing Java and IBM, over 7 years of Spring framework experience, and over 8 years in IBM products. Before starting the course, I'd like to talk about questions and support. This platform provides a feature that allows you to contact the instructor, as well as your colleagues. If you have any questions, just send them as a private message to the instructor, who will respond, and I will actively respond as well. You can also post a public question in the FAQ part, where you can get answers by others and myself. In case you didn't like the course, the platform also allows for a withdraw feature to roll back and get a refund within 30 days. And now, let's begin our course.